Memo akwaba eba KwakuSmart TV so ahanom dia ahanom no bia agi atum abusua in the year 2021 April asembisi ye ewo Kasoa aye nkwala mamuwa mienu ekokum small boy bia to uncompleted building small boy no mkuni afenu Ishmael ana boys yi mienu anso a ekokum small boy yi na ye frɛ baako Feliciano a wo 15 years ana baako so de Nicholas Kini onu wo 18 years na sɛ ne atie ni nkwala yi plan sɛ ɔmbɛkɔ akɔdi sikaduro ɛno nti no ɛma ɔmo frɛ konfo ɛwɔ phone so a konfo mu nya no ɛwɔ TV so ma mu nim sɛ Ghana TV stations deɛ ɛya konfo nko a etu ɔmo frɛ konfo ɛwɔ TV stations so konfo bi sa wɔ mama ne ɛwɔ phone so ana nkwala nka sɛ ɔyɛ sikaduro nti na ɔmo frɛ yɛ konfo ne sɛ wɔnyɛ saa ana ɔde abufo kaate na ɔblocking nkwala ne kasa mu no ɔmo so ɔmo frɛ konfo na so ankɔ na which means sɛ konfo na block wɔm ɛno akyi no ɔmo and nam TV so no mukoshi akonfu baby ana your friend Charity Mensa and also omo friend no mami ka chom say oh se sadia omo pesika 5000 na omo pe nipa minim ne nipa no omo anka say ye nipa moja na say nipa anka sa omo pe nipa emfanka 5000 no na omo femra eman kwala mienu no eye Feliciano ene Nicholas Kini plane se ne nipa de eye hwan eti wo kasa mu no hu sa na omo plan no mo ani koto Ishmael nim se no ene sa de a omadamfo ni Ishmael so pe game pa tom di game bedada Ishmael na no monya na kunu nom de ne ko yes asemu yi ebe ya asem kese pa e wo Ghana ha sei eti anu mu no eye one night bi de eye Nicholas yi ene Felix omo koda adwene ho ehu nom de be eye Ishmael no ade che ye no na chese plan no omo afawie enu nti no eye Feliciano to anamo eko Ishmael fie kodada no ka che ne se enam se Ishmael epe game punch no omo dada nchen se oh omo the game biaba na hye kotokom ewo uncompleted building to omo yenko no omo nkobo eya no kra Ishmael so obi ope game to di wo machi mo omo ko ho no mo omo duru ho no mo no ana ye Feliciano ka se onkoto no hwe kotoku no onye den onye game no enfemla eti eya Ishmael yes okoto no ana Feliciano e de ade ebo no ene ye otofo na so still wanwu eti ho no man sana Nicholas eya Nicholas Kini enso peja bo e de abono ene ho no ma Ishmael wankasa bio asemo yi eye kese e wo Ghana ha sei eti anu mu no omtutu amna e wo uncompleted build wo se kwam de ni shema anadwo kwam ye dia na kwam ye den om de ne ko yeah better ho no mu ni de minim se na 5000 se no monya dadade a eti no omugusu tutu amna e wo uncompleted build ni mu no ana eye woman bi a o twamu ohun se omo hye ho no mo na ohun se omo tu amana no na so no onim ni omo de ye enu to no de oye di no otwa mu ti emra okoduru fie no ana Ishmael so ma amehwehwe no ana so oh ene ma hu ni na afofo no e wo uncompleted building nim enu ti no eye se no na se omo kohwe se Ishmael no e wo ho no mu bia ho no de ko hu se no enkwala yi akum Ishmael no e da ho no mo asemu ibaji bum asemu we ebaji boom esa say den ya na beka nkwala 15 years eye Feliciano 18 years Nicholas Kini say mon sorry enkwaji sikaduro ana say munkum nipa enfa enkwaji sikaduro bedwene ho amenti ase asemu we be ya asem kese pa na edidimu amunim say Ghana ha de unya 18 years ya yentumi fa won ko prison ntina esese omo twen no mo nyabotre eye hwehwemu asem we kodi police for nsem no na eye padi no wo mu 18 years Nicholas Kini no on the old 9 esanse ono do osi onim ho hwe ana eye Feliciano ka se oh me kura me di ade boy Ishmael so wan se dawu Nicholas ona wo di bo hwe ne so ana to anso wan ka se bia because ona nsem wa den adentina harum do be ka se onim ho hwe na che se Nicholas ne pese o kire Felix ne se wanyi nche no itinka wo yi ne ho afiri mu na so asem eye wa de wo yi ho firi mu a ene munum se Ghana police for de ban investigation ya omo ya de pa asem we koso na ne etie ni omo start fa plan no in the month of March 2021 now so omo ya omo antumi anya Ishmael no eti eye April 3rd ansana omo tumi akum Ishmael no asem we area ho pa 2021 asem na make na so na ehwehwemu bi koso ana afen so na enam se Feliciano enya 18 years intino na ehwehwemu no omo delay ni kakra anene asem we ene wo mawie asem we hwehwemu ekoso yi pa na anka se June 2024 ya ye wo mu ye ana anka so mbekle bibia ma ye hu the way a baby asem no akwa akosi na so say afei October yimu ana my do amdi hwehwemu na me no ka se nkwala mi no ya sentence wo na enam se still na Feliciano no esua ne ntino ono na asem ne de omo de akwa akodi court kesiem kakra omo guso ka ho asem na so eye Nicholas Kini ne de yesi onko prison life life imprisonment. Uncle prison, life imprisonment. Aye Nicholas Kinini there. That time no enya 18 years. But me no can say the 2021 up to 2024. Yes, when he into also uncle life imprisonment. Uncle some aban. Wow. Wow. It's not just say minim fellas nya kono the years on be manako. Because I'm see usha some be chance na wenyi kakra dia pepese ye koti judge no omanum nsamo kakra ye koti judge no nanum nsamo odi betu dwa ene ensem bia nkrofo bi so eka bi ka ho mumie koti mra.
What happens to the first accused now?
The first accused has referred to the court, has been referred to the juvenile court.
Okay.
For sentence and conviction.
Okay, sir.
Because at the time the offense was committed, he was a juvenile, age 15. And the law says that if an offense is committed with a juvenile, with an adult, the High Court can try them and permit the juvenile court for sentence.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir.
Even though this should serve as a deterrent to any other person who wants to take the law. You know that it's been a very difficult moment the entire thing for the other family. Sitting through the court, what was going through the mind of the family? And it wasn't easy. We were only waiting for judgment to be given so that we can go back to our various rooms, go and continue wherever we have left us. Mind you, because of this issue, my brother has lost his job by his private business and is in debt over 180,000 Ghana cedis, which we don't know where to go and find pay off debts.
Yes, inti me sure say na judge na ka no what ni nyina. All right, abusua ahanum KwakuSmart TV. Asema SC 2021. Yes. Asem obeji boom. Me sure say what ye ebeji boom wa Ghana he nyina. Ene anomobu asem na wie. Abusua number na egu on no be sure so obefa. Na wa frɛ one touch plumbing work. Edan bia wo si a wo hia plumbers frɛ wom. Omadwuma efe. Omo adwuma ma wa afebɔ omo se ebia opori tank na wo fie no ensuo no di guma wa wonim se wontam mu na so san na esa it means se bibi nkoyie wo baabi ebia o pipe no bills na eba no ense se duru sa one touch se from omo beba be yama o bills no just ebeba kakra bi obebu pipe na so bills no ebeba kakra bi afen so se ebia opese oyo flash ya na ahye opese utu borehole just a toilet repair sewer repair bibia omo ye frɛ one touch plumbing work ade fa plumber hu bia no plumbing work hu bia no omoye yes o flash ya na ahye bibia one touch for eye me da say we share me. Thank you for watching me. May you acquire the east, blow the beast, conquer the seas, destroy the east, eliminate the east, fight and forget the F's, my crowd.
All right, I was everything that going that I'm going in. I was level there right now. They're live. KwakuSmart TV. Let's say they're coming. They are one day. Okay, now you're going to